Welcome back to my final morning report analysis video with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Ansett Markets on Thursday, 16th of March. We're looking at gold, and gold has sharply moved higher since that Fed meeting, adding $20 on the day, and that's a strong move to the upside. And that's sort of continued today, but it's interesting that we've sort of broken through the 38.2% fib level. 1230 is the 23.6% fib level. That's a basis of resistance now. Today's high 1228.80. And it's interesting that this sort of turnaround has come, and I'm sort of questioning how far this one's going to go, because I don't think it's going to go too far to the upside. I think this is going to turn into a pretty choppy and, you could argue, messy trading range. You've sort of seen the improvement in the outlook on the technical indicators, with the stochastics just moving higher, RSI back towards 50, MACD lines around about that neutral level. So it is sort of becoming more of a ranging play, I think, over the medium term, I think, on gold, and that sort of reflects, I think, in this rather messy looking chart now. Look at the moving averages, all sort of relatively flat and moving closer together. The Bollinger Bands are sort of relatively flat as well, and it's all sort of although you have got the near-term move to the upside, but that little base pattern, you could argue, that's completed yesterday on the move above that 12.11.20 mark, I think implies that are around about sort of $17 of upside. So that gives you what, 12.28. So I don't think it's going to. There's too much further that this one's going to go, and that you could argue 12.28. That target has now been hit, so I think the upside could be limited. You can see this hourly chart, 1236.80 is a bit of an old support turned resistance as well. So I think there's several reasons why I don't think that gold's going too much further, and it'll be interesting to see how it really sort of pans out, because 1220 is that old key resistance that turned into support and then sort of came back into being resistance again from the breakdown. So on the adage that old support becomes new resistance and vice versa, that now becomes supportive on the downside. That sort of comes in on this hourly chart, and there was certainly a degree of consolidation around that level yesterday. So that is a level that the market is looking at near term. So if you sort of see a corrective move back towards there, you could see again a consolidation around that support. So as this sort of initial move unwinds, we might start to see some support around that and sort of pushing higher again. But I think it's going to be a bit of a choppy play, gold, near term. And medium term, I think it's going to continue to sort of trade in this arguable range that we've got going on here. So I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you again next time. Thank you.